Dashboard and general navigation. So the dashboard is pretty self-explanatory. This is the total number of artworks you have, the underscore of how many you've sold this year, how many are in the studio, how many active shows you have, total sales for the year, and then just a graph on the past 12 months of sales. We've got some quick action buttons, so you can add artwork, you can view artworks, you can go to shows, you can check your prints, you can also check locations and contacts, and then you've got your recent artworks, and you also have upcoming shows. And if you want to see all, you can see all and see all there. So that would just guide you. So that's the dashboard. On the top you have the main navigation items. So you've got artworks, a list of all your artworks. You've got shows. So there's a list of all the shows that are upcoming. Closed shows, none of these are closed, but when they are, they come up at the bottom, they're grayed out, and you can filter on just those. You can filter on now, you can filter on upcoming. Then you've got your sales screen. You've got some tabs for this year, last year, all time, and you can do custom. So you can choose the date ranges, and that will just fill in the balance of the boxes below. You can also see your sales channel. You can see how much per medium, and then you've got a list of your sold works, which you can search once it starts getting over that, and that's got total revenue, commission, and net profit. Then you've got your location screen, and this is useful for knowing at a glance where all your art is. At the moment you've got 11 in studio, you've got 4 that are at current and upcoming shows, so you can see those shows. If there's anything that needs attention, so if a show is completed and you need to return it, it will come up under the needs attention. If anything is on consignment, you can see where it's on consignment, and if anything is elsewhere, you can see that. So if you've got multiple locations, if you've got a warehouse and it's allocated there, you can find it here. You've also got your contacts, so this is where you can manage all your contacts. Haven't added many into the screen, but you can split it by individuals, you can do organizations, and you can do galleries, and it will keep a list of it. To add a contact, you'll just click on add contact. So these are your 5 key areas. You've also got under your profile picture, you've got accounts and you've got settings. So under accounts, we've already covered this in another video, you can see all your account settings. If you go back there and you go to settings, this is where you can control all the core settings for the system, and these are broken down to display, prints, artwork attributes, communications, notifications, contacts and locations, integrations and data, and then help and support. So if you ever need any issues, if you need any help with support, you can come here, and there's a few frequently asked question items, and you can just email support, and there's a few selections you can make. And if you send us a message, we'll get back to you. Or you can just click on our link and email us directly. The other icon is the notification button. So this tells you that a show has started. You can undo a location move directly in here. So if you allocated art and you didn't want to, you can undo that should you have pulled out of the show and forgotten to cancel it. And you can also clear all. And that is all the navigation. Clicking on the logo takes you right back to the dashboard screen.